On Jasmy Coin again, another crypto that too remain bullish on long term. We're not talking about short-term gains here. We're not talking about quick profit. We're talking about a long-term player with Jasmy Coin 003. At the hour of this video, we investigate the multi-day diagram, basically losing money, yet it has been steady the extent to which what the cost is at. It's fluctuating between 004, 0037, someplace there. Was that 0045 back about a month prior? So truly over the course of the past month has essentially remained generally something similar. Once more, going to go on with these recordings on Jasmy Coin. It says an undertaking that I am bullish on, and I would like to simply impart my contemplations and insights with you all no less than once 7 days here. Better believe it, we should not. Anytime you guys, we should simply get directly into it. So me proceeding to sit at 53,000 holders now at present, which to me, most certainly a solid, right? I mean, we hit the 53,350 holder mark. I need to say perhaps like a month prior, perhaps somewhat less than a month prior, quite close to a month prior, 53,000 or 50,000 holder mark. So around 3,600 holders, new holders from that point forward. Furthermore, I simply believe that number keeps on developing every month. I think an ever-increasing number of individuals beginning to look into Jasmy. A ton of footers overall. On my last 2 or 3 recordings explicitly on Jasmy, just had many individuals simply being really regrettable about an undertaking, saying this venture isn't going anyplace XYZ. And I mean everybody, without question, everybody is, as I would see it, qualified for their own viewpoint concerning crypto projects explicitly, like, projects that are under 1 penny, similar to there clearly is instability. There clearly is the 2 sides of the range. With any crypto project there's shudders, with Bitcoin, there's vacillates, Ethereum. So once more, it's memorable's vital that assuming you truly do explore and assuming you really do have faith in a task to, hold that project on the grounds that the bull run will come. What's more, when that bull run comes, these activities that are securing themselves presently, making this foundation now for when that bull run comes, will be extraordinarily compensated, as I would like to think. Be that as it may, I simply needed to go more than a couple of things here. It did, individuals. Again, an extraordinary in the event that you're a Jasmy holder and you're into Jasmy, look at this Twitter account here. Look at them on Twitter. I think an extraordinary exploration. What's more, simply extraordinary conclusions here on Jasmy explicitly, yet this individual tweets Jasmy in the beyond 2 days also and has added 530 million Jasmy. The majority of the action came from Binance. While it will update you as often as possible as we learn more my underlying yet speculative considerations. It is possible that it's a whale or it's Binance Japan wallet, I presume. Here is a screen capture here of something on Ether. Examine clearly if this wallet here added 530 million more Jasmy here, or they at present have 530 million Jasmy, which is $2 million worth as of now at the hour of this video. So most certainly intriguing to see you realize wallets have hold there or observing Jasmy of this size, isn't that so? Most certainly. Certainly intriguing here. I mean this 1 out of 530 million in most recent 2 days. You can see here most recent 2 days these exchanges 5 million, 17 million, 9.4 million, 99 million, 99 million, 99 million, 99 million, and afterward 100 million. I mean you can see here from BNA 161, 416, 1414. So something extremely intriguing happening here in the background here, ensure you guys take everything here with a grain of salt, since it is clearly bullish Twitter accounts putting these tweets out. However, regardless, most certainly intriguing. Clearly theory is dependably fun with regards to crypto. Another things here. Jasmy, a few central issues in the article here at O'Hara. CFO of Jasmy posted, perhaps referring to, however the article says that Jasmy is an endeavor organization of Sony. 20,000 blockchain PC orders were gotten in Hong Kong and South Asia. Doubtlessly different deals centers Japan, USA, and the whole world. So I surmise somebody deciphered this from it was clearly in Japanese. What's more, they made an interpretation of it into English in some principal objective as well. I mean Jasmy Experience Organization of Sony, this is put out by Aura, right, the Jasmy Coin CFO. So assuming we've sort of consistently had the possibility that perhaps Sony, not clearly Sony's not straightforwardly attached to it, right, as freely. Yet, with simply the historical backdrop of the board or the Jasmy, the 2 individuals at the top at Jasmy, their set of experiences was Sony most certainly makes it very intriguing. And afterward at long last exactly what is the reason for Jasmine, and I simply need to emphasize that like the local area behind Jasmine is extraordinary. The board and you realize the leader said Jasmine will be docked and they have history working with tech organizations, and that's what things like. Yet, the reason in its IoT innovation and individual information, I believe is at the center of Jasmy, and I simply need to emphasize to that end I'm bullish on Jasmy. Was the reason information possession Jasmine capable people to control their own information in the IoT period, advocating supporting the reason for information a majority rule government, client well-being, individual information as resources, which I think to me is extremely vital. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content you want to stay up to date, thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.